different setup. We are back in my bedroom. I feel like it's been a while since I've been in my bedroom, and I just feel like it's super empty right now. I'm still in the process of doing my room, but my living room is under reconstruction because it's no longer Christmas and all my Christmas decorations are down. And believe it or not, my living room is a lot more empty than my bedroom right now. So, oh, what a cutie! Stop! If only I could like marry this boy, my life would be fucking set. Honestly, if you ever see me smiling on my phone, it's probably something that Justin Bieber posted or something about Justin Bieber. Anyway, so welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing something a little different because I saw something on Pinterest. I'm like, I haven't done something like this on my video. Wow, on my channel yet. So today we're gonna be cooking, and it's gonna be my first cooking show. We're gonna see how this goes. It might be a complete fucking mess. So we're gonna head on over to my kitchen. Yes. Okay, so now we're in my kitchen. I just put things in this glass to make it look more fancy. It's literally a bughouse, like smoothie type thing. You are on the set of Cooking with Daisy. I'm gonna try my hardest not to fuck this up because it really looks good. And I found it on Pinterest. So if you guys wanna look for it, you can follow me on Pinterest. And yeah, I'm gonna be showing you what I'm gonna start with. So what it's called the, creamy tomato Italian Parmesan chicken. I don't know why I'm so extra sometimes. So what I'm gonna be, it should only take 30 minutes to cook. So I'm gonna start off with all the ingredients that you need and that I've got on my kitchen right now. Okay, so what you're gonna be needing first is your olive oil. Like I said, I got mine at Target. You can get yours anywhere. They sell it everywhere. Just go in the food section. Next, you're gonna be needing some chicken. This one says 4 chicken breasts, but I have chicken tenderloins. I think it works the same because all chicken is chicken. So, and then you're also gonna need some onions. I got mine at Hy-Vee. Once again, all food is sold at every grocery store, almost. So, you'll need some onions. You'll only need one, so you don't have to get like a whole bunch. This was just like $1.74, so I got all of them. Next, you're gonna be needing some garlic. I have these type of garlics, and then I also have just the ones that are already in the cloves. So you can use any type of garlic cloves that you have, but that's something else you'll need. And then of course, I didn't get everything out of course. Some shredded Parmesan cheese, and then you're also gonna need a Italian herb seasoning grinder and salt and pepper. Not the wrappers. Shit. No, I didn't tip it. Oh well. The seasoning. So you got that. And then also, is that it? Yeah. Oh no, that's not it. You'll need some tomato sauce here. And then you'll need some heavy whipping cream. I'm not quite sure what all of this I need this for yet, but I guess we'll find out together. So, what you're gonna need to be doing after you see all these. Okay, so what you're gonna do, if you're prepared, hopefully, set your shit up. Yeah, I can never be a cook host. Okay, so what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be setting my oven stove up to about 5, wherever the heat from that is. Okay, so then you're gonna wanna open your, what a mess this is. You're gonna open your chicken because it says to, in a large skillet, add a tablespoon of olive oil. So you'll just take your olive oil, maybe. Oh, what the fuck is this? So it says to add a tablespoon of olive oil and salt and pepper. Add 1 tablespoon olive oil and salt and pepper the chicken. Okay, so take this, and then you'll put it in your skillet or whatever you've got. And of course you're gonna wanna cut open your chicken. Don't be afraid to get your hands a little dirty. Actually, I hate it, so I don't even know why I'm telling you guys this. I try my best to avoid shit like this. That's why I know how to cook. So, take your little chicken, your breast or your tenderloins, and I'm just gonna turn this up a little higher. So then, gonna swivel that around here. And then I'm gonna just lay that in there. I think I'm only gonna make 4, like that says. It says it serves 4. So I'll take another one. I hope this is actually really good because I'm starving. Haven't eaten all day. Maybe we'll just make 3. Yeah, we'll just do 3. Okay, so once that's done, you're probably not about to refreeze this, are you? Keep refrigerated or frozen, thaw in refrigerator or microwave. Keep raw meat and poultry separate from other. Okay. Okay, so once that thing starts cooking, I'm gonna add some salt and pepper to it. I'm just gonna literally just get this shit in here. Probably the worst thing you could do, but hey, we're just gonna fucking go for it. And you have to cook it through. Make sure to cook it through, guys, because you don't want to die of like Manola or what's that? No, that is definitely, that's a song. Okay. I don't know, you just don't want to die from undercooked meat. Once those are cooking, we are gonna start chopping some shit up. So, I'm gonna take these cloves here and take that and probably just start chopping. Ooh, these garlic smells gross. Hope it smells good. It says like minced or something like that, so I think that's what this is. You chop it up really tiny. Try not to hurt yourself. Hurt yourself in the process, because the last thing we need is you guys chopping your fingers off, because I am teaching you how to cook. It's probably the worst thing in the fucking world to do. So, anyway, yeah, just chop that shit up. Okay, since all my other cameras like don't work, so we're just gonna zoom in a little bit here. So hopefully you can see me. We're just gonna chop this up. We'll just hold it up every time we do it. So we're just gonna be chopping and mincing this garlic crap up. So once again, make sure not to harm yourself. I'm not a professional cook, guys, so I don't know what I'm doing. We're just hoping this turns out for a greater cause because I'm hungry. Now, dear all professional cookers, please don't judge me. This is just in the contents of my own home, so if I fuck it up, I fuck it up. I have no one to blame but myself. This is about as minced as I can get it. So you're gonna wanna get your garlic all fun like that. So also in the process, try not to burn your house down. I'm just gonna add a little bit more oil so that it like doesn't stick to my pan, because this isn't really my pan. I just stole it from my mom. She wasn't home, so Mom, I'm sorry, I stole one of Grandma's skillets, just so you're aware. Okay. How was my feeling? I wasn't really prepared for this video, clearly. I'm never prepared for any video. So anyway, after that, just make sure you're keeping an eye on your chicken so that it doesn't burn. You want to make sure that you're cooking it all the way through so it's not pink, so that you don't die from any sort of raw meat syndrome. So after the chicken's done cooking, so you'll want to cook it, it says from 3 to 5 minutes. I usually cook it longer just so I don't die from raw meat syndrome. That's what we're going to call it from now on. Oh, we guys guess we could have been cutting the onion too. It says you only need 1, so I got these at Hy-Vee. You're gonna cut your garlic. I'm really just winging this shit, guys. I wish I really knew what I was doing, but I don't. Add another tablespoon of olive oil, so you want to take that and wherever your tablespoon went. So, oh my god, it'd be so fucking hilarious if the cooks at my job were watching this. Oh my god, they'd be so disappointed. That's why y'all don't want me in the kitchen. They said, no, we want you in the kitchen. It's fun back here. I'm sure it is. But I'm seeing the shit that I can do, you guys don't want me back there. You don't. Okay, so next it tells you to, okay, so we gotta do this all at once. So this is how much I'm gonna be putting in there. That's the olives, the onion and the garlic all together. So I'm just gonna throw that into the pan. I'm a one woman frickin' show, so we're just gonna toss that in there. I can tell us. So I need like 2 people to do this shit. I'm gonna take this spatula. For normal people, this is probably gonna take about a half hour. For me, it's gonna take like 800 years. So, ooh, it smells so good. My god, maybe I'm gonna be good at this. The tomato sauce that you need, so you need a 15 ounce. I just got a 15 ounce from Walmart. So the heavy cream, so a half a cup of heavy cream, whatever the fuck this is. I always hated these, like, you know, little milk things you get in like elementary school, like middle school. Now you open it. So half a cup. Fourth of a cup of Parmesan cheese. So you'll need a fourth of a cup of Parmesan cheese. A teaspoon of the McCormick Italian seasoning herb. I'm just gonna add as much as I fucking want. Saute for a couple minutes until tender. Add the tomato sauce, heavy cream, Parmesan cheese, and Italian seasoning. So I'm gonna pour all of this in together, like that. Heavy cream. Round of applause. And then you'll add your fourth of a cup. Yeah. In here, like that, or not. And then the Italian here, so you take your little grinder thing. I'm just gonna guess how much I'm gonna need, so I'm just gonna I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm coming out though, so. Good. And salt and pepper to taste. Bring to a simmer and then add the chicken back to the skillet and then top with shredded Parmesan cheese and serve over pasta of desire. You know what, we're just gonna have the chicken. Probably wanna take a whisk. This is some like awesome sauce. Oh my god. Awesome sauce, get it? I need to know. I might kill myself. We're gonna do it anyway, so if I end up dead in the next like month because I remade this chicken, like by refreezing it, then you'll know. You guys were witness to it of my stupid decisions. So, I'm putting it in a Ziploc bag, placing it back in the freezer. Oh my god, this smells so good, guys. I wish you were here to witness this with me. Oh, you're very far away again. I mean, like a camera person. You have to like control all of my camera angles. So applications, guys. Anybody want to help me with my fucking YouTube channel? I like spitting all over it. Absolutely not. Just like the song? No. So once you bring it to a simmer, ow! You're gonna stir this, and it's simmering. And then it says to, what does it say? Bring to a simmer and add chicken back to the skillet, topped with shredded Parmesan cheese. We're just gonna add our tiny little chickens. And hey, you can use this for leftovers. So if you really wanted to, you can cook more chicken if you have small ones like I did. And add more if you want. So, and then, okay, so, talking a lot. Okay, so you're gonna take more of your Parmesan, and you're gonna take a half a cup this time. Okay, so you got your half a cup of Parmesan. Drop it off. So I think basically that's it. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the first and epically failing episode of Cooking with Daisy. So I will show you the end product, maybe, right? I don't know, maybe I have to do it on my phone. Okay, so this is the end product. I know it doesn't look like that much, but it like smells fucking phenomenal. So my camera died, I'm just charging it again before I can do my intro and outro. So anyway, yeah, that's what my food looks like. Maybe it was like a half hour, even for amateur me. So anyway, I'm gonna be seeing you in just a second in better quality and in my bedroom again. Okay, so we've now finished the food and I'm really fucking hungry. So I'm gonna eat it. So that was a very, very tragic start to my first cooking show. So I mean, I know it wasn't that great, but it came out amazing. It looks amazing, so let's hope it's gonna taste really good. So if you want to keep up on how it tasted, go ahead and follow me on my Instagram, my Snapchat, my Facebook, and my Twitter, and I will let everyone know on there how it actually tasted. So I don't have anything else to say except Do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the little bell on the subscribe thing after you subscribe to it to let you know when I post a new video, which is now every single Thursday. I know, I'm on a schedule. I'm trying to stay on that schedule for this new year. I'm trying to better myself and be more freaking organized. So anyway, go ahead and follow me on all of my social media. It's all in the down bar for you. And yeah, that's basically it. I don't have anything else to say except I love you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next Thursday.